Hey everybody, how are you all doing? Look at me. I'm all dressed up to explore the New York City. Actually, I'm not going to many places because it's very cold over here. I've got cold. Um, Taken the medication and everything, so feeling a little bit better. But New York, I cannot miss the opportunity. And now it's the Christmas time, so I want to see the Christmas market if possible, if there's time. But of course, I already planned to visit the Rockefeller Christmas tree, which is one of the very famous one, most beautiful Christmas tree. So going to see that now. I'll take you around, and also maybe to the Times Square, and maybe a bit of shopping if time permits, if the weather is okay, not very cold. Yeah, I've got few friends with me to go along, so let's go. I'm just leaving the room right now. Yeah, I've taken a scarf to put it over my head because it's very cold, and I'm already down with flu. So yeah. Beautiful Christmas tree here. There's so many decorations done. YouTube channel नहीं है ऐसे. So pretty ना. ऐसे वाला रीच चाहिए मुझे मेरे डोर के ऊपर. So it's raining outside, so we are waiting for the hotel to give us the umbrella. So we have got one umbrella here, and we are like 4 people going, so we need at least 4 umbrellas. So just waiting for it. Yeah. See the outside view. It's very chilly weather today, rainy, wet, and yeah, a little bit cold. This is a Korean street actually, so you can see a lot of Korean stores. Yeah.
Korea bakery.
So I wish I can go and explore all these shops and stores, but what to do, there is time constraints, so I have to hurry up. Maybe I'll not be able to continue taking the videos until the Rockefeller Street, so because it's raining, so I may discontinue. But once I reach there, I'll continue with my video. Just came to this here to get some quick bite, like a. There are a lot of choices right here. Shawarma, sandwich. Okay, you guys take from here. I'll go to another place because I'm also not feeling like. There are a few stalls right here. हाँ, पीते हैं क्या? चलो, let's go. Yes. This is a hot chocolate store, so we both are gonna grab a hot chocolate now. ये वाला ट्राई करें क्या? ये अच्छा है ना? Oh my god, guys, look at this. This is interesting thing. Hot.
Non-regular?
Thank you. You don't like that much spicy, na? हाँ, यही खा के पेट भर जाएगा. Okay, good. I'll catch it. Yeah. Okay, yes. Good.
Nothing.